duodenum, jejunum, ileum, cecum. The correct answer is option B, cecum. What is the name of the protein that makes up muscle fibers? Hemoglobin, collagen, myosin, actin. The correct answer is option C. Myosin is the name of the protein that makes up muscle fibers. What is the name of the protein that plays a role in cell movement and contraction? Hemoglobin, collagen, myosin, actin. The correct answer is option D. Actin is the name of the protein that plays a role in cell movement and contraction. The part of the brain responsible for maintaining balance like walking in a straight line or riding a bicycle is called medulla, pons, pituitary gland, cerebellum. The correct answer is option B, cerebellum. Which of the following is the outermost layer of the uterus? Endometrium, myometrium, perimetrium, ovarian follicle. The correct answer is option C. Perimetrium is the outermost layer of the uterus. Which structure connects the uterus to the vagina? Ovary, fallopian tube, cervix, none of these. The correct answer is option C. Cervix structure connects the uterus to the vagina. What is the name of the wall that separates the stomach from the small intestine? Cardiac sphincter, pyloric sphincter, esophageal sphincter, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Pyloric sphincter is the name of the wall that separates the stomach from the small intestine. Which of the following is responsible for the production and regulation of sperm cells? Seminal vesicle, Leydig cell, Sertoli cell, Coffer's gland. The correct answer is option C. Sertoli cells is responsible for the production and regulation of sperm cells. The adrenal glands are located on the top of which organ? Liver, kidneys, pancreas, spleen. The correct answer is option B. The adrenal glands are located on the top of kidneys. Which hormone is responsible for regulating calcium levels in the blood? Insulin, glucagon, calcitonin, aldosterone. The correct answer is option C. Calcitonin hormone is responsible for regulating calcium levels in the blood. Vitamin B9 is also known as biotin, folic acid, riboflavin, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Vitamin B9 is also known as folic acid. Which hormone is responsible for stimulating milk production in the mammary glands? Prolactin, oxytocin, estrogen, testosterone. The correct answer is option A. Prolactin. Anemia occurs due to the deficiency of riboflavin, biotin, folic acid, none of these. The correct answer is option C. Anemia occurs due to the deficiency of folic acid. Where does fertilization typically occur in the human reproductive system? Uterus, ovary, fallopian tube, vagina. The correct answer is option C. Fallopian tube. Carbohydrate is stored in the body as glucose, starch, glycogen, sucrose. The correct answer is option C. Carbohydrate is stored in the body as glycogen. When there is a shortage of oxygen in the body, which organ is most affected? Intestine, skin, kidney, brain. The correct answer is option B, brain. The condition characterized by a lack of red blood cell or hemoglobin is known as anemia, leukemia, hemophilia, thrombocytosis. The correct answer is option A, anemia. Which respiratory structure is commonly known as the wine pipe? Trachea, bronchus, bronchiole, none of these. The correct answer is option A. Trachea respiratory structure is commonly known as the wine pipe. Bleeding of gums and losing of teeth is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. The correct answer is option C, vitamin C. Which part of the brain controls the basic rhythm of breathing? Cerebellum, hypothalamus, medulla oblongata, cerebrum. The correct answer is option C. Medulla oblongata part of the brain controls the basic rhythm of breathing. The heart's electrical impulses travel through specialized cells called neurons, cardiomyocytes, pacemaker cells, epithelial cells. The correct answer is option C. The heart's electrical impulses travel through specialized cells called pacemaker cells. Which of the following types of joints allow the widest range of movement? Hang joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, gliding joint. The correct answer is option B. Ball and socket joint. What is the name of the fluid that lubricates joints and reduces friction between bones? Cerebrospinal fluid, synovial fluid, lymphatic fluid, gastric juice. The correct answer is option B. Synovial fluid. Prokaryotic cells reproduce asexually through a process called meiosis, mitosis, binary fission, conjugation. The correct answer is option C. Prokaryotic cells reproduce asexually through a process called binary fission. The sinoatrial SA node is commonly known as pacemaker of the heart, conducting system of the heart, atrioventricular AV node, bundle of His. The correct answer is option A. The sinoatrial node is commonly known as pacemaker of the heart. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? Insulin, glucagon, cortisol, thyroxine. The correct answer is option A. Insulin hormone regulates blood sugar levels. Which gland is responsible for producing insulin? Thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, pituitary gland. The correct answer is option C. Pancreas. The pacemaker of the heart which sets the rhythm of the heartbeat is located in the right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. The correct answer is option A. Right atrium. Which organ is responsible for detoxifying chemicals and metabolizing drugs? Kidneys, liver, pancreas, spleen. The correct answer is option B. Liver. What is the name of the muscle that separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity and aids in breathing? Diaphragm, pectoralis major, trapezius, none of these. The correct answer is option A. Diaphragm.